All right, today we're going to unravel a really fascinating medical mystery. And believe it or not, the key to solving it wasn't found in some high-tech lab, but inside one of the fastest aging creatures on the entire planet. So picture this. There's a common type of drug out there, SGLT2 inhibitors, and doctors know they work wonders. I mean, they're fantastic at protecting our hearts and our kidneys. But here's the catch. For the longest time, nobody knew exactly how they did it. What was the secret? And look, this isn't just some academic question. As Dr. Herman Haller, who's the senior author on the study, points out, figuring out the how is absolutely crucial. It's the key to potentially unlocking even better treatments down the road. Okay, so to crack a case this big, scientists couldn't just use the same old methods. They needed something totally new, a different kind of clue, a secret weapon, you could say. And they found it in a very, very unlikely hero. Think about it, right? Trying to study aging in real time is, well, it's like trying to watch a tree grow. It takes forever. What you really need is a fast-forward button for biology, a way to see a whole lifetime play out in a compressed amount of time. And that's where this little guy comes in. Meet the African turquoise killifish. This fish is, wow, it's a total biological marvel and a complete game changer for one simple, mind-blowing reason. Its entire life is lived on hyperspeed. No, that is not a typo. 4 to 6 months. That is its entire lifespan. From a tiny egg to old age, it happens in less time than it takes for summer to turn into winter. It's just incredible. So let's put that in perspective. To study aging in a lab mouse, you're looking at a couple of years. In us, humans, decades. A whole career, maybe. But with this fish, researchers can see the effects of a lifetime of treatment in just a few months. That's not just a step forward for research, it's a quantum leap. All right, so now they have their star player, their fast-forward fish. It's time to put aging under the microscope and see what's really going on as the clock ticks at super speed. And here is what makes this model so unbelievably powerful. It's not just that the killifish ages fast. The way its organs age, especially its kidneys, is remarkably similar to our own. It's like watching a sped-up movie of human aging. So as they watched these fish get older, they saw all the classic signs of kidney aging start to pop up. The tiny blood vessels start to thin out and disappear, the delicate filtration system gets damaged, inflammation ramps up, and the cells themselves just can't produce energy like they used to. This was their baseline, the problem they were trying to solve. Okay, so they've got a perfect picture of what normal aging looks like in these kidneys. Now for the big moment. They introduce that mystery drug into the equation to see what happens. And this is the revelation. The research team took a whole group of these killifish and started treating them with those SGLT2 inhibitors, the very drugs they were trying to understand. And what they saw next, well, it was the breakthrough they were looking for. Just look at the difference here. In an untreated, aging kidney, you can see how that vital network of tiny blood vessels becomes sparse and weak. But then you look at the kidney from the treated fish, and wow, the network is still dense, it's still full of branches, it looks youthful. The drug wasn't just slowing things down, it was literally protecting the organ's fundamental plumbing. So what's the secret? How's it actually working? Well, it's a cascade, like a set of falling dominoes. First, the drug protects those tiny capillary networks. Because that blood supply stays healthy, the cells can keep their energy levels stable, and when you have healthy tissue and stable energy, that nasty chronic inflammation that comes with aging, it gets dialed way down. It all starts with those blood vessels. And the study's first author, Dr. Anastasia Paulman, just captures it perfectly. She was amazed by how this one seemingly simple drug could have such a huge positive impact on so many different interconnected parts of the kidney all at once. It's not just one simple fix. It's like it's helping the entire system stay healthy. So yeah, this is an amazing story about a fish, for sure. But the real impact here, the big takeaway, is what this discovery means for the future of human health and research into aging. Because you see, this isn't just about this one drug anymore. The real breakthrough might actually be the killifish itself. What scientists have now is this incredible, ultra-fast pipeline to test all kinds of new anti-aging therapies. I mean, this just changes the game completely. We're talking about testing therapies in months, not years. It means we can identify the treatments that actually work way sooner and speed up the whole process of getting them to human trials. And now it opens up this amazing new question. Can we go beyond just preventing damage and actually start to repair damage that's already there? By literally putting the biology of aging on fast forward, this tiny fish has given science an incredible gift, the gift of time. It's allowing researchers to ask bigger questions and find answers faster than ever before. Which just leaves you with this one exciting thought. Now that this door is wide open, what other monumental secrets of aging are we on the verge of discovering next?